Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis. As for 25th of June 2025. And as you can see that, in fact, let's start with the calendar, the Forex Factory. And as you can see, on tomorrow, 25th, we do not have any of, in fact, there's a one heavy impact news, but it's only Fed Chair Powell testified, but I don't think there'll be much effect on this news. But another one, medium impact new home sales, and they're both at 3 p.m. Right, going on to the chart, as monthly, you can see that it's last week of the month, so it will be wise to see what's happening in monthly perspective. Although there's a few days left to the end of the month, and currently there's a rejection from monthly perspective and weekly. Weekly huge rejection from previous week, and I was expecting that the market may go upside from this level around 3350 level roughly, and market didn't. So we always look confirmations when we trade. Does not mean that whatever we think or what it looks like it will be correct. So now what the market have done is tested this low of one of the previous weeks, which is 32.92. $32.92. And in fact, this was 32.93, and the market was from 32.95. 20 pence, 20 pips difference. So the way the market is moving, it's highly likely they can go to the upside from here because this is a weekly level. However, if the market comes down, it's possible it may take liquidity from the bottom and then move to the upside. And now let's go on to daily. Daily market has broken this trend line. So all our expectations going to the upside from here didn't happen. Now the trend line is broken. It's currently residing at this level. And I'm expecting it might come to this level here, at least 338 before we move to the downside or even to the upside. And then we have further levels here. That's in daily. And going on to the 4-hour bearish pattern. Daily still still bullish as long as this level is not broken. But in 4-hour, we have the structure. But it clearly show very bearish structure. And now this candle, I'm expecting it will take up to here at least this level, which is 33.44. Why? Because it's very strong candle. And in weekly, sorry, in 1 hour, we have one sell area here, and then we have this sell area, or even this. Then we can expect to the downside. However, if this area is broken, then we can see movement to the upside. And 15 minutes, as you can see, in 15 minutes we have this first this level broken, and then to the upside. So in 1 hour, this kind of structure, market has to break this level if we're looking for a buy. Otherwise, we should have a sell from here. This is one level, and then we have another level. So, and we have this area as well. So we have to look the confirmation in smaller time frames before we can take sell or even from here buy trades. As long as the confirmation is there, we look for the buys. For confirmation, you can use different things like moving averages and RSI. And if you have more questions about this, please do comment, and I'll make another video for that. Thank you very much, and you have a good day, good night. Bye bye.